I didn't use emails that other people had written. I wrote them all myself, and it made it seem very personalized to them using things like merge fields. If you've never heard of a merge field, Randy, have you heard of merge fields?
Yeah, I've heard of a merge field.
Okay. So a merge field basically would be like, say I was writing a basic email to, that was going to go out to a client. And it would basically say like, hey, first name. So if I was sending it to Randy, it would end up merging Randy's name into it. Say, hey, Randy, I saw that you were interested in, and then it would have a merge field for address. So 123 Main Street. So it'd be, hey, Randy, saw that you were interested in 123 Main Street. I used my CRM, I used my tools to be able to have these merged emails essentially go out and look really customized.
Wait a minute, Brett. You're telling me that you didn't use the templates that came in the system? You actually invested the time in building your own personal message?
Yeah.
But Brett,
I know.
Brett, you invested time into your business and you made it feel personal? And what did it do for you?
I think the thing is, I think we can all do that, right? Like we can all take 15, 20 minutes. What I tell people to do, and this is like the easiest thing that you can do, treat people the way you want to be treated, right? I hate 10 days of pain. I don't know if any of you guys use 10 days of pain. I hate 10 days of pain. I don't want to be in pain. I don't want my leads in pain. I don't want my clients in pain. No one needs to be in, this is business, guys. We're not pulling fingernails here. I liked creating what I like to receive. Okay. So what I ended up doing, and since then I'm really stoked because Chime actually like saw kind of what I was doing and they were like, hey, we can make that easier for you. I'm like, okay. But initially what would happen is a new lead would come in.